technology in teaching English as a foreign language bibliography. Through the use of technology, we can access to a wide amount of tools that allow us to learn properly, specifically writing skills, as we can see in Unit 2, how to improve writing skills through the use of ICT. First, we have Sabatino's article that warns about the use of gaming as a tool that engages students in problem-solving activities and digital literacy. Then, Robles Noriega's article introduced to the implementation of genre pedagogy with podcasts and what are the patterns of the text elaborated by them. Then we have Jones and Rice that explore how the students' writing changed while using microblog tools. Finally, Lee and King analyze the generalization of mobile computing as a tool to assist the learners in improving English writing skills. Well, this is the bibliography of Unit 2. I expect that this was useful for you. Thank you for your attention and bye bye.